Hi everyone, it's Eileen. Today I'm going to show you how I make this quick and easy spaghetti and meatball recipe using frozen meatballs. This is definitely going to be a great weeknight dinner. I go ahead and doctor it up with a few more seasonings and my regular Prego pasta sauce. I like to start off by browning the meatballs, and if they start to get a little too dry or start to stick at the bottom, just add a little bit of water just to loosen it up. While your meatballs are cooking, go ahead and add your spaghetti into a pot of boiling water, and you're going to cook those for about 8 minutes. Now that the water has completely simmered down, you're going to add your pasta sauce to these meatballs. You could use whatever pasta sauce you prefer. I like Prego personally. Since I'm adding seasonings to this pasta sauce, I like to add a little bit of water just so that it doesn't dry up. And then I start to add my complete seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano. If you wanted to, you could add mushrooms or even some sausage to this recipe, but it was a weeknight dinner and I just wanted to make it simple and be out of the kitchen quickly. Once you've added your sauce to your meatballs, you're going to go ahead and place the lid and just let it simmer down a little bit while your pasta is actually cooking. Then you're going to go ahead and transfer your meatball sauce onto the spaghettis, and you're going to let that simmer down a little bit as well. But first you're going to add your cheeses, which is going to be your Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, or any other type of cheese that you may have available. And then you're just going to go ahead and cover up this pot and let it simmer down for a good 2 to 3 minutes. You just want your cheese to be completely melted and even bubbling up a little bit in your pot so that you can go ahead and serve it. If you're new and you're watching my videos for the first time, I make quick and easy recipes and I do post on Mondays and Thursdays. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Thanks so much for watching. See you on Tuesday.